If you're holding cryptocurrency, there's one thing you absolutely need to prioritize: security. Every year, we witness significant hacks, exchange collapses, and scams that leave individuals devastated after losing their funds. Many of these losses occur because people don't store their crypto properly. Keeping your assets on an exchange or in a hot wallet connected to the internet exposes you to serious risks. That's where hardware wallets come in. They keep your private keys offline, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal your funds. Whether you're new to crypto or have been in the space for years, a hardware wallet is essential to protect your investments. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll explore the best hardware wallets available today, explaining which one suits your needs. And don't worry, I've included all the links in the description so you can check the prices or grab the one that fits you best. Let's get started. First up, the Ledger Stacks. If you're looking for something futuristic, this is it. Designed by Tony Fadell, the creator of the iPod, the Stacks features a curved e-ink touchscreen that makes signing transactions as intuitive as using a smartphone. It supports over 5,000 cryptocurrencies and integrates seamlessly with Ledger Live. A unique feature is its wireless Qi charging, adding convenience for daily use. While it's one of the more premium options, it's perfect for intermediate and professional users who manage multiple assets and desire a sleek, high-tech solution. However, if you're a long-term holder who doesn't require frequent transactions, the Stacks might offer more features than necessary. Next, the Trezor Safe 5. Trezor is renowned for its open-source firmware and user-friendly design, and the Safe 5 continues this tradition. It boasts a vibrant color touchscreen with haptic feedback, enhancing user interaction. Importantly, it incorporates an NDA-free EAL6+ secure element, providing robust protection against both online and offline threats. This wallet is excellent for those who prioritize transparency and security. One user mentioned appreciating the device's intuitive interface and the peace of mind from its open-source nature. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the Safe 5 offers a balance of security and usability. The Ledger Nano X is another popular choice, known for its portability and robust security features. It offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to manage your crypto from your phone without the need for cables. Supporting over 5,500 tokens, the Nano X ensures your private keys remain protected, even if connected to a compromised computer. Some users have noted that while the Bluetooth feature adds convenience, the device's small screen can make navigation challenging. If you're frequently on the move and require regular access to your assets, the Nano X is ideal. However, for those primarily holding assets long-term, a simpler device might suffice. Now, let's discuss the Tangem Wallet 2.0. This wallet takes a different approach by utilizing an NFC-enabled card. You simply tap it against your phone to manage your crypto. It's air-gapped, meaning it never connects to the internet directly, and it doesn't require a battery. This design offers a high level of security and portability. However, some users express concerns about relying on a card-based system for substantial holdings. If you're a beginner or need a straightforward solution for daily transactions, the Tangem Wallet 2.0 is worth considering. The Ledger Flex is another intriguing device from Ledger, featuring a flexible e-ink touchscreen for improved transaction verification. It combines the security of Ledger's technology with an enhanced user interface, making it suitable for those seeking a balance between functionality and design. Early adopters have praised its user-friendly experience, noting that the flexible display adds a layer of convenience during transactions. If you value both aesthetics and security, the Ledger Flex is a compelling option. For those seeking a straightforward, secure, and budget-friendly choice, the Trezor Safe 3 is an excellent pick. It doesn't have a touchscreen like the Safe 5, but still offers robust security with its EAL6+ certified secure element. The device supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and maintains Trezor's commitment to open-source firmware. Many first-time hardware wallet users appreciate its simplicity and reliability. If you're new to crypto and need a dependable hardware wallet without extra features, the Safe 3 is a solid choice. If maximum security is your top priority, the Ellipel Titan 2.0 might be what you're looking for. This fully air-gapped wallet never connects to the internet, Bluetooth, or USB, instead using QR codes to sign transactions. Its robust, tamper-proof design ensures your assets are protected from both physical and remote attacks. Some users have noted that while the security is top-notch, the transaction process can be slower due to the QR code system. If you're a long-term holder who values security over speed, the Titan 2.0 is an excellent fortress for your crypto. The Ledger Nano S Plus is ideal if you need multiple wallets or a reliable backup. This device supports up to 100 apps simultaneously and offers ample storage for various assets. It's a budget-friendly option without compromising on security. I personally use the Nano S Plus as a backup for my Nano X, ensuring I have access to my funds if anything happens to my primary device. If you're serious about protecting your assets, having a backup wallet like the Nano S Plus is a wise decision. The SecuX V20 is another solid option that deserves attention. It features a large touchscreen, military-grade security, and supports multiple blockchains. Users appreciate its user-friendly interface, which makes managing assets straightforward. However, some find it bulkier compared to more compact wallets. If you prioritize a touch-based experience and don't mind the larger size, the V20 offers a comprehensive solution for your crypto management needs. Finally, we have the Keystone 3 Pro, an air-gapped wallet focused on maximum security. Like the Elapal Titan 2.0, it uses QR codes for transactions, ensuring it remains isolated from online threats. It also includes fingerprint authentication, adding an extra layer of security. Users have praised the biometric feature for its convenience, though some mention that the device is pricier compared to other air-gapped wallets. If you want a wallet that's both ultra-secure and user-friendly, the Keystone 3 Pro is a strong contender. So, which one should you choose? If you're a beginner and just need something secure and easy to use, the Ledger Nano S Plus or Trezor Safe 3 are great starting points. If you want something more advanced with Bluetooth connectivity, go for the Ledger Nano X. If security is your top concern and you're okay with slower transactions, the Elapal Titan 2.0 or Keystone 3 Pro are excellent choices. For those who need a premium experience, the Ledger Stacks is the most high-tech option available. And if you're managing multiple wallets, the Ledger Family Pack S Plus gives you great value. If you hold mainly Bitcoin and want a dedicated wallet just for that, consider using a separate hardware wallet like the Trezor Safe 3 or Keystone 3 Pro while keeping another wallet for your altcoins. If you're constantly making transactions, something with Bluetooth like the Ledger Nano X might be the best choice. On the other hand, if you rarely move your funds and just need a safe place to store them, an air-gapped wallet like the Elapal Titan 2.0 might be better. No matter what, having a hardware wallet is essential if you want to protect your crypto. Don't make the mistake of leaving your funds on an exchange or in a hot wallet that can be hacked. Get a hardware wallet that fits your needs and start securing your assets today. All the links to these wallets are in the description, so check them out for more details. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto security tips. Stay safe and happy hodling!